What the fuck? No ass, no titties. You're like the average white woman. Nah, this is fucking fire right here. I guess he has like super durability. That nigga, ew, that's a penis. Boom. Now he's actually strong as shit. That is a fucking Alaskan bullworm from fucking SpongeBob.
Cool.
Oh my god. Yo, that was fire. What the fuck is that? That was cool as shit. The gang. I have no idea, but they look drippy as fuck. Bro, what is this goddamn animation? Like, look at this goddamn frappuccino latte. Holy fucking cappuccino. You may fondle my chest. Whoa! Whoa! Is this real? This nigga's like, yes, I'm gonna get fucking laid.